So guys, the question is how to develop 7 games in 3 months. It's quite a challenge, and I have some thoughts about it, and I want to share it with you. We need to create and publish 7 games in 3 months. It's quite a challenging task, but I think it's nothing impossible. The problem is that in our team we don't have a programmer and we have limited resources. We don't have much time. So we need to deal with it somehow. How? How we can deal with it? You can ask me. If we don't have a programmer in our team, it means that we need to find remote programmers. It's quite simple thought. It means that we need to find a programmer that already developed the prototype of the game and who needs help in illustration, in audio, in game design, in promotion, and so on and so on and so on. With these things we can help without any problems. Right now I have one agreement with one developer. What does it mean? It means that we have an agreement to develop several games on one engine. Now we are developing runner about tanks using the pixel art and nice animation, and we have really simple strategy. We finish game about tanks, then we will take the engine, change the settings, the illustrations, the animation, the audio. It means that we want to create the ready engine that we can use in our future games. Just change illustrations, just change animation, to add there some features, some games features, some new ideas, to expand the game and publish it as separate game. One more thing that I understand while researching of mobile games, that sometimes the single game success really depends on illustration, on settings that this game have. If this game about tanks, someone don't like tanks, yes, and they won't download it. So you need to change setting from tanks to knights. So we have the second setting, we already made some art about it, to knights. And you are rescuing the princess, you are dealing with archers and so on. Someone loves knights. It means that this setting will be fitable for him and he will download this game, not this. This will help us to take the ready engine, to update it with new graphic, to create the whole game and to post it as a separate game and to earn some cash and profit. I hope it will work. So we have one developer, and the second step, to find as many developers as I can find. Now we will prepare our offer for developers and post it in forums all around Runet. Then I hope we will receive some feedbacks from developers with their prototypes of their games, with their ideas, with their ready game design documents. We will look through them, we will analyze them, we will discuss it inside our team, and with some of them we will sign the contract and start to develop the game. I think if we need to publish 7 games, it means that we need to find about 10 developers that we will working with, about the conditions that we will have with the developers. I also have some thoughts about it and I want to share it with you. First of all, we will pay to developer the fixed price. It's not like the salary, it's just money that he can use for finishing his development. This amount not that huge, but for Russia it's okay, I think. We will pay to developer from $1,000 to $3,000, but we won't do it as one simple payment. He will receive it divided to 3 parts. First part he will receive after we received the prototype with some changes that we want to have. The second part he will receive when we will have the alpha version. It's like a ready game, but without some mistakes, without some bugs. And after finishing all the game with audio, with interface, with everything else, he will receive the rest of his money. The second term, developer will receive from 10 to 20% of the profit whole time that we publish in this game. Why these percentages? Because developing of the game it's quite challenging process, and also it's a huge risk, and almost the whole financial risk is on us. It means that we will invest in developer, we will invest in illustrations, in animations, we will invest in audio effects, in music, we will invest in promotion and ads, and we will invest in game designer. We also pay him monthly salary. It means that we have all the financial risk on our company. To be successful, to have some profit from it, to receive our money back, we need to have also a good percent. So I think it's fair enough. Developer can concentrate only on the things that he loves to do, on the development process, and we can take all the rest and all the risk. For sure, these games will be more quality than the developer will do it by himself. So guys, it's time to go to work, and I will get back to you with the results. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay in touch. Bye!